What's up, everybody? A lot of you have been asking me, what do I prep when I go for training for such a long time? And the thing is, I have to prep for a certain amount of days, and eventually I'll run out of food, and then I have to go buy some stuff to eat. Of course, always making a healthy selection, but I'll show you what I made today for this long-term training part of my training, and I'm gonna make it all fit in this e-bags, and I will show you how and what I prep. All right, guys, so we have some vegetables here that are cooking. We also have some black soybean pasta that I got going here. And then also some shrimp. And then in the oven here, I have some chicken thighs. All right, so here's how I'm gonna make it all fit in my bag. I got some avocados here with some protein bars and some peanuts. Okay, but the trick to getting it all fit in is a little different than what I do for my flights. This time I'm only bringing 2 containers, but I put everything in Ziploc bags. So I'm stashing it all here just to have extra space and make some extra room to carry some extra food, because I will be in training having a fridge for the whole entire time. The food's gonna stay there pretty much the whole entire time, and I will pack it into those containers as I go. So now I have just about 5 to 6 days worth of food in this bag.